Hello friends, thank you for joining me today. I would like to share a few tips to put down your neck tension and headaches to promote the relaxation through the acupressure techniques that you can do it at home. Before I go on to the prescription points, what could be the reason to cause this neck pain and occipital headaches? So generally, we know that most of the people who are functioning, the IT professionals, or maybe who are using today, even young generation, by using the PCs, laptops, and then mobile phones, and always they just have a look, they are not matching the eye to the system or phone or something laptop, so that putting down slightly, that giving the more stress on the neck muscles. That means you are placing some 30 to 40 kgs of the weight on the neck region if you place it like this. So always you remember, then you just place your neck in the straight and erect position, and whenever face to face direction, or you're functioning, or you're talking, or you're sitting, or doing some kind of the work, that is most essential to regulate your neck muscles through the erection of your neck. That is most essential. Apart from this, and people who work on the bed and they flex the body in the semi-flex and then they do the work, and the wrist also sometimes, and there is the wrist, arm support they doesn't use, that also causes the problem on the shoulder and neck muscles. So try to make sure that your hand wrist position should be wrist on the arm rest, and further that you can place it appropriately position, that will be helpful to you. So now I would like to give you a few tips how to regulate this neck muscles stiffness and tension. There is one simple point I would like to suggest. There are the 3 points I am suggesting you. Among them, the first point is located on the occipital region. So just you can have a look. You just go ahead. You just place your fingers here and then put down your thumb on the lower direction from the occipital bone where you find the depression. So this depression below these bones, which we call as the suboccipital muscles, there you just place the thumb and then rotate the clockwise direction. Just you place this and then rotate this clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. So all this hairline, this especially from the midpoint to the lateral position of the hairline, all these most important points are located. So just you give pressure here and then give the pressure here. These 2 points are regulating to the sternocleidomastoid muscles, which is helpful for the neck stress and tension. Then further there is another point, is the most important point, located on the, you just take the hand and then place it on the left shoulder and then between the vertebral column and then rotator cuff of the shoulder, midway between this. So you just place it and press it. Slowly you just diplomatically press it. There are the 3 points you are activating. One is GB21, then Sanjo 15 and SI 13. So these points especially located on the upper trapezius muscles and the levator scapula muscles. Once you give the pressure, these muscles gets regulated and it relaxes the shoulder muscles. In the same way, you just take the left hand and place it on the right shoulder and then press it diplomatically. Especially the middle finger is most important, but you can place it 4 fingers and press it with the 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax the muscles and again you go back and give the pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be repeated for 10 times on one single side, the other side also 10 times. If the person have pain only on the one side, even you can regulate by both the shoulders is also recommended. The third most important point is, so located on the edge of the hand, so where there is a small finger and then this first palmar crease. So this first palmar crease, you just come straightly and you can find the edge, that means end of this side, and then place the thumb. You just this your four fingers you use as a pad, and then this thumb you place it here, and then keep giving the pressure in this direction. Give the pressure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again anti-clockwise direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat the same at least 10 times this side. At the same time you just place it here and then rotate to this main palmar crease where it ends on the small finger side on the fifth metacarpal phalangeal head of the joint. You just give the pressure here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then anti-clockwise also you can rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this way you can repeat. So this point to be called as a small intestine 3 hook C. This is the gateway to the spine by the way of shoulder, neck and scapula. So once you remember that, once you keep giving the pressure, always you remember to rotate your neck muscles, especially rotate your neck. That relaxes the muscles of SCM and upper trapezius and levator scapula, scalene muscles. All these muscles gets relaxes so that you can get relief of these muscles and the neck tension. Despite of that, if the patient is suffering for this pain, and certainly you can meet to the professional practitioner to understand about the vertebral arteries which is passing to the brain, so that should not get disturbed. So therefore that's all I have for you today, and thank you for listening and stay healthy.